Hello again, everybody. Perfect Storm Trading here. It is early Thursday morning, 14th of October. Reviewing yesterday's primary projection of the morning timing window, we can see that we came into the window moving downward. We hit our first trigger, which was the white block on the A1, which was inside the bigger A2 white block. It was a good long trade off of there. We came to a high, which at the time was the high of the day, which was breached in the afternoon later on this spike high about 2 o'clock. But then we ended up trading. We didn't have a trigger point there, so we did not get that trade. But we had a new low also in the same window, and we did have a trigger point there. That was right here. That was about 1016. Actually, we had two trigger points, and I'm going to show you those. On the PH chart, we had the overnight low from the night before, or the 13th, or the morning of yesterday morning. We were in the purple segment with the light blue P1, projecting that forward. That put us here into the purple segment with the light blue P1 right at the 1018 time period. We also had a rainbow trigger confirming at the same time. We had the A2 green black, and right above that on A1 we also had the green black. You can see that came in on this chart at 1020. Look at the bottom of the chart where I have my cursor held. You'll see the 1020 period. So after that low, we moved up. We made a small correction. We had another trigger point with the bright green black here on A1, still inside the white A2 block. That didn't go far. It retested that minor high. It came back to the end of the block. So depending on how you handle that, you were either out and then you have a chance to get back in here for that next move up. Remember, beginning and end of blocks, these blocks are also trigger points. So again, the timing windows worked out really good again yesterday. They work out almost every day. They're in the high 90% area of winning trades. Let me show you one more thing. I want to go over the pivot dates, the last couple pivot dates we had. Let me bring the daily chart in for that. Okay, the two dates we had for tides were the 8th and the 13th. There were also other cycle dates in both of those areas that kind of widened the band a little bit. Anyhow, the actual high came on the 7th. The market started trading down on the 8th here for 3 days. This is the ES daily bar chart. You can see my date at the bottom. Market peaked 10.7. Traded down 3 days. We expected the turn on the 13th was our next tide date. The actual low was on the 12th. We just missed meeting that low yesterday on the 13th, and as you can see, we've been trading up since then. So our swing dates have been good. I'll probably come in and review the swing dates for the rest of the month on the weekend. So we'll save that for then. So that's it for today. We will be back again, and we'll see you on Friday.